Want to look your best on your wedding day? It all starts with radiant skin. To achieve this, exfoliation and hydration are your best friends. Exfoliation helps to shed dead skin cells, revealing the fresh, glowing skin underneath. Hydration, on the other hand, keeps your skin plumped, smooth, and youthful. And remember, good things take time. Starting a skincare routine well before the big day and maintaining it consistently can work wonders. Your skin needs time to rejuvenate and glow. Start early and stay consistent. Ever wondered how celebrities maintain their flawless looks? Well, the secret might be simpler than you think. Enhancements like fillers and Botox play a big role in keeping those smiles bright and skin tight. But here's the key. These procedures should ideally be done at least a month before your big day. This allows any potential side effects to subside and your true beauty to shine through. Remember, enhancements are just to boost your natural beauty, not to change who you are. Looking good is not just about the face, but the whole body. 6 months before your big day, let fitness become your best friend. Regular exercise not only tones your body, but also enhances your overall beauty, giving you that fabulous bride glow. It's about strengthening yourself from the inside out, boosting your confidence, and ensuring your wedding dress fits just right. Remember, fitness is a lifestyle, not a quick fix. Start early and make it a habit. You are what you eat, especially when it comes to your skin. A healthy diet plays a vital role in promoting radiant skin and reducing bloating. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants and vitamins like leafy greens, berries, and nuts. These not only nourish your skin but also stimulate lymph movement, helping to decrease puffiness. Hydrate with plenty of water and herbal teas to flush out toxins. Avoid excessive sugar and salt, which can lead to inflammation and water retention. Your diet is your beauty secret weapon. Use it wisely. Planning a wedding can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. It's essential to remember that it's okay to ask for help. Whether it's delegating tasks to your bridal party or hiring a professional wedding planner, having support can significantly reduce stress. And let's not forget, a stress-free mind is a beautiful mind. It radiates positivity and enhances your natural beauty. So don't let the intricacies of wedding planning overwhelm you. Don't let stress steal your joy. Ask for help when you need it. Your mental health is as important as your physical health. As we navigate the whirlwind of wedding preparations, it's crucial to remember that a peaceful mind is a radiant mind. Practicing mindfulness is not just a trendy buzzword, but a powerful tool that can transform your stress into serenity. It's about being present in the moment, truly experiencing the joy and excitement of this special time. Incorporate simple mindfulness exercises into your daily routine. You could try a 5-minute meditation each morning, or a mindful walk in the park. These quiet moments can help you stay grounded and focused amidst the hustle and bustle. And let's not forget about self-care. It's not selfish, but essential. Whether it's a relaxing bath, a yoga class, or simply a night in with your favorite book, make time for activities that rejuvenate your spirit and spark your joy. Remember, a happy bride is the most beautiful bride. In the midst of all the planning, don't forget to take care of yourself. After all, it's your day. So, ready to be the most beautiful bride? We've covered a lot today, from the perfect skin regimen to the importance of a good fitness program. We've emphasized the need to start early and be consistent. We've talked about eating healthily, managing stress, and taking care of yourself mentally. But the key takeaway? Your wedding is a special day, but the journey there is just as important. Remember, beauty is not just about how you look, but how you feel. Stay beautiful, inside and out.